This person you see on your screen made this amount of money. Another person from this country made thousands of dollars. And this other person also made thousands of dollars. And this works all over the world. And today, I will show you how you can get all of the work done for you, so you can make big money online, basically doing no hard work at all. This is a brand new strategy to make money online. It works in 2021 and beyond. It's not about affiliate marketing. It's not about YouTube. And you don't need any followers. So literally anyone can start this as a complete beginner, as long as they follow all of the steps from this video tutorial. So if you're ready to start making money online, like other people using this platform, then get ready and pay attention to every second of this video and take massive action. Don't look for excuses and go out there, do the work and start making money. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So this is going to be the website from which we will be making money. This is going to be the website where we can make thousands of dollars every single month as a complete beginner. And first I will show you how it works, and what exactly we will be doing, and how all of these people from all over the world are making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And after that, I will show you how you can get it all done for you. And I will show you how you can start for absolutely free without investing any money at all. So make sure to stay tuned until the end for that and pay close attention to each and every step. Watch each and every second and take action as soon as the video ends. Because if you don't do the work, this will not pay off and you will not make any money. If you just watch the video and complain in the comments, it's not going to work and you will leave with $0. But you actually need to take action if you want to start making money online. The website which we will be using is called Flippa, and this is over at flippa.com. According to similarweb.com, Flippa is being visited by over 1 million people on a regular monthly basis. So every single month, over 1 million people use this website. And those guys are coming from top-tier countries like United States, United Kingdom, India, and Canada, which means there's a huge potential for Flippa. Flippa.com is a platform where people come to buy and sell, to trade apps, domains, websites, online businesses, blogs, and much more. So here you can sell all of the different digital assets, and you can sell them for thousands of dollars. And as you can see, some e-commerce websites are selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars. This one is selling this amount of money, and people are buying and selling these types of digital assets every single day. Now don't worry, you don't need to have an e-commerce business to start doing this. You don't need to be a web developer or app developer to start making thousands of dollars with this website, because I'm actually going to show you how you can get it all done for you, so you can repeat this and make money without doing any of the hard work yourself. In just a moment, you will see exactly how it works. But first of all, let me show you what people are actually selling here. So if you go to the browse section right here, you will be able to see that people are selling different websites, e-commerce, content for websites, different website marketplaces, and service related to web development. You have people selling their apps, domains, and different collections right here. The two main categories that we will be focusing on are websites and apps. So for example, we go to category, which is websites. We will be able to see people selling their websites for thousands of dollars, and these websites are sometimes selling as auctions. So you can see that they're starting in $1, but after a couple of days, people start bidding, and those websites end up selling for tens of thousands of dollars. You can see, for example, this one is selling for this amount, another one is also being sold for this amount, and so on and so forth. This might sound a little bit complicated to you, like you don't have a website. You don't know how to create a website or whatsoever. Well, you don't have to, because I'm going to show you how you can get it all done for you, so you can make money as a complete beginner with basically no experience. If you click on See All Websites, that's going to show us all of the websites that are selling right now on flippa.com. You can see that, for example, this person is selling their website for this amount. So it just started bidding, so it has only a few bids. It's just starting to grow, and there are still a few days left, and it's already attracting buyers. Sometimes you have websites selling for almost $1 million on this website. And if I open up for one of these listings, for example, you're going to see that sellers are making money. So it's proven that this works. It's proven that it gets results. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Here's proof that people are actually making a lot of money here. This person made thousands of dollars with Flippa.com. So this is proof that it actually works. That is why you shouldn't look for excuses not to do this, because it does work. You just need to put in time and effort to get some results. And I'm going to show you once again how to get it all done for you. If you browse a little bit on this website, you will be able to come across loads of different people making thousands of dollars with Flippa.com. And basically, the same goes if you want to browse different apps. If you want to see what apps people are selling on this website, you can just go over to the apps category and you can see people selling their apps for thousands and in some cases, tens of thousands of dollars. Let's first focus only on websites and web development because you saw that those have a huge potential and you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars and you saw proof that it actually works. Now let's see how you can actually get the website done for you so you can sell it on Flippa.com. Now I just want to tell you this right from the start. Don't expect to sell your first website for $100 or $20,000 or even $10,000. Don't expect that because it doesn't work like that. You can maybe sell it for a few $100s or maybe $1,000 and that's it, no more than that. But if you repeat this and you sell at least one website every 2 days, you can still make a lot of money every single month. I mean, if you sell just one website a week, that's still a pretty decent side hustle because it's going to take you less than 10 minutes to get it all done. Now, one of the ways where you can get a website done for you so you can make money without doing the work yourself is to use some of the freelancing websites. And just to remind you, this is only one of the options because I'm also going to show you a second option that's going to allow you to do this without investing any money. The first option is to just hire someone on freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, and so on. Now, the reason why I highly recommend you use Fiverr to hire someone is because Fiverr is a really competitive website. As you can see, a lot of people are selling their services in Fiverr.com under the Create a Website category. So a lot of people are competing for this, and because of that, sellers list their services at lower prices. They provide professional services at lower prices, just so they can stand out, just so they can attract some buyers. And that's why you can find a lot of cheap services but professional services on Fiverr.com. I don't prefer selling on Fiverr, but when it comes to buying, it's a lot better to use Fiverr because it's a really competitive website and freelancers are willing to do professional work for less money. You can get a complete website or e-commerce store at around $50, even if you get it for $100 or $200. And you sell it for $1,000 on Flippa.com. And that's over $800 pure profit for one single website. And you can do this over and over again on Flippa.com and make over $500 profit, and that's already a lot. But if you want to start small, you just need to find some seller that is going to do professional work for you for like $50 or $100. And if you can find someone to get it all done for you, and I'm sure you can, you just need to place an order so you can select the service. Pay $50 and they deliver it in like 1 day or 2 days. You go back to Flippa.com, list it for sale, wait to get a sale, and if you list it for $500, $600, $700, or even $1,000, you made huge profits without doing any of the work yourself. So it's a really decent business. And you saw that people are making money on Flippa.com. People are making decent amount of money by selling their websites, and you can now jump on this as a complete beginner because you can just sign up to Fiverr, buy a website from Fiverr.com for $50 or $100 and sell it on Flippa and keep the rest as a profit. Now, if you don't want to invest any money at all, you want to start for absolutely free and then afterwards reinvest it into the services from freelancing websites, you can simply go over to Udemy.com. So if you want to start for absolutely free and sell at least one website for absolutely free and then use that money to reinvest into Fiverr, you can simply come over to Udemy.com. This is a place where you can basically learn anything. This is a place where people sell their courses, but you don't have to buy anything. You can start for absolutely free with $0. Just come over to Udemy and you can search for courses on how to create a website or how to develop a website, how to create an app if you want to sell an app, and then just scroll a little bit down, click price, and select free. That's going to give you a lot of courses which you can take for absolutely free and learn in a single day or even in a single hour. You can create a professional looking website. You can learn everything for absolutely free on udemy.com. And once you learn it, just put in some work, and it's probably going to take you a couple of days to develop a website from scratch. But once you're done, you can sell it for $500 or $1,000 on Flippa.com. Use that profit and reinvest and buy some services from Fiverr, and then just create a snowball effect and sell more and more websites on Flippa.com. You can do the same thing for apps. You can search for how to create an app and how to develop an app, even though that's a lot harder and it takes a lot more work. But if you want to, you can try with that as well, since apps are also selling for tens of thousands of dollars on Flippa.com. There's definitely a huge potential, and you saw that people are making six figures every single year. People from all over the world. You can just start for absolutely free by learning the skill on udemy.com from their free section courses. Then sell your first website and just reinvest it into the business. This is definitely not going to be an easy job, but you can get it all done for you, and once you can get established, you can definitely start making big money on Flippa.com. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.